Initial intensive chemotherapy for acute blood cancers like ALL and AML typically lasts 6 to 12 months. Following intensive chemotherapy, maintenance therapy can extend for an additional 2 to 3 years. Complete treatment and ongoing monitoring are essential for several years to ensure sustained recovery from acute blood cancers. Chronic blood cancers, including chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL, and chronic myeloid leukemia, CML, require different treatment strategies. CLL often employs a watch-and-wait approach, delaying treatment until the disease progresses significantly. CML is typically treated with targeted therapies such as tyrosine kinase inhibitors, potentially leading to remission, but often requiring long-term maintenance. Early-stage Hodgkin lymphoma treatment typically involves 3 to 6 months of chemotherapy, potentially combined with radiation. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma treatment varies, commonly involving chemotherapy, immunotherapy, or radiation over 6 to 12 months. Treatment plans are tailored based on lymphoma, subtype, age, overall health, and genetic markers.